comment करें. This is the battery. Long-lasting battery. For long life. This is a charger. The USB cable. Oh my God! And here is the headphones. Earphones they are. Let's open this. It's so simple to open. This is the battery. It's gone good. Where is the SIM? You can see the SIM later.
आप लोग क्या फोन को कलेक्ट करते हो? सब लोग नए नए फोन मंगाते हो?
फ्री में है.
Oh my God! Micromax. You're so lucky.
I am not lucky. Rajesh. One, two.
How did you get
this is the SIM. Insert CDMA, insert SIM1, insert SIM2.
उसके बाद Micromax फ्री है.
This is the menu. Oh my God. Some problem in music.
बंदा ही मोबाइल ले रहा है तो तुम्हारा मोबाइल की
Lots of features. File manager, call logs, phone book, multimedia. See the camera. See the camera. See the sleekness of this phone. Micromax free phone. Oh my God.
What is the camera megapixel?